What if I told you the future of farming doesn't lie beneath the soil, but just above it? Welcome to a story where sunlight feeds both our stomachs and our power grids. You're watching Top Thoughts, the channel where science meets innovation and today's problems meet tomorrow's solutions. If you're passionate about technology that can change the world, you're in the right place. So, let's uncover one of the most revolutionary ideas in agriculture today. A farmer stands in his field, eyes squinting under a blazing sun. His crops are thirsty, the land is cracked, and above him, not a single cloud in sight. But suddenly, he looks up, and there they are, solar panels, floating above his crops like gentle umbrellas, not blocking the sun completely, just softening it. And beneath them, his crops are thriving. He's growing food, he's generating power, and he's earning double. This isn't science fiction. This is agrivoltaics, and it's rewriting the rules of farming forever. Let me take you into the world of agrivoltaics, where sunlight is no longer a farmer's enemy, but a shared blessing. Agrivoltaics is like farming with a twist. Instead of covering acres of land with solar panels or crops, we now do both at the same time in the same place. Think of solar panels raised high, like roofs over a marketplace. Below them, crops grow in a cooler, shaded environment. Above them, those same panels soak up sunlight to generate clean electricity. It's a beautiful partnership. The sky fuels the soil, and the soil feeds us all. In traditional farming, the sun can be cruel. Too much heat dries the soil, evaporates water, stresses the plants. But under agrivoltaics, crops are protected from heat waves. Water stays longer in the soil. Even the yield improves, especially for shade-loving crops like lettuce, spinach, chilies, and tomatoes. Here's the twist. When you give the plants just the right amount of sun, they don't suffer. They actually thrive. And the farmer? He doesn't just harvest vegetables anymore. He harvests electricity too. 2 products, 1 piece of land. That's not farming. That's farming leveled up. Let's be honest. Conventional farming is struggling. It uses massive amounts of water, relies on unpredictable weather, and at the end of the season, the farmer's income depends on one thing: the crop. But agrivoltaics flips the script. The shade from panels reduces the need for irrigation, in some cases by 30% or more. Crops are protected from scorching heat, allowing longer growing seasons. And best of all, there's a second income stream from solar energy. So, while one crop fails, the sun still pays the bills. It's sustainable, it's resilient, and for the first time in decades, farming feels future-proof. Now you might ask, who's leading this solar farming revolution? Surprisingly, it's not the US, not China. It's Japan, a country where land is scarce, but innovation is abundant. In the rice paddies of Chiba, solar panels are planted just like crops. But instead of competing, they cooperate. Rice fields stretch beneath semi-transparent panels, and blueberry farms are powered, literally, by the sun above them. One standout example? A farmer named Akira Nagashima installed agrivoltaic systems over his blueberry orchards. The results? Stable yields, lower water usage, and enough electricity to power his entire village. Today, Japan has over 2,000 agrivoltaic farms, and counting. The government is even offering subsidies to farmers who go solar, not to replace farming, but to redefine it. Research backs this up. At the University of Arizona, scientists grew tomatoes beneath solar panels. Those tomatoes used 65% less water and stayed cooler during heat waves. The panels themselves, they stayed cooler too, generating more electricity as a bonus. Agrivoltaics isn't just efficient, it's scientifically smarter. The sun no longer burns the crops, it fuels them, from above and from within. Agrivoltaics isn't just an idea, it's a bridge connecting food, water, and energy. It's how we'll feed 10 billion people without killing the planet. It's how a farmer can survive floods, droughts, and heat waves. Not just endure them, but thrive. In a hotter world, the smartest farmers won't be the ones with more land. They'll be the ones who use the sun twice. If this blew your mind, imagine what else is coming. We dive deep into the future of energy, food, tech, and climate. So if you're curious about the world of tomorrow, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like if you learned something new. And tell us in the comments, would you eat food grown under solar panels? This is Top Thought, and the future is already here.